Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Mina bengithi mina angeke ungibone mina lo ngiziphiwe kwamavuso ungibone nokungisasanka istrata la nongixoshana nabantu bokufika nangomaveji fofo maveji fofo angangiyenze mina lento le mina ngiyi1 akekho futhi nomfana omzulu nyana laba abakhona laba bokwabona bethi bayayenza noma umpeli noma umtswana amashangani wahlala attack full amashangani angithi then mina bese ngiphume la endlini ngiyothi mina umshangano okwazi ukuvuka ekseni ngemali yakhe mina ngicela ungicabangise umshangano ovuka ekseni ngemali yakhe bro wami understand ngiyayizwa ipoint yakho mara ngiunderstand kwami ipoint umshangano ovuka ngemali yakhe ekseni ayo stock amaveji ahamba ayele city deep ayele market afika stock amaveji abuya fast abe nomcabango wakhe ashiselise itroll yokuthi azule lo ukutshontshele muphi umsebenzi yinto ayenzile loyo ngoba angisalwi necrime senilwa nabantu abamnyama phela mina angisangani mina la ekhaya ungizwe nalo bra wakhe lo basethendeni bathi bafuna 5 million bathi iphaza ivalwe jigili sebathi iphaza ivulwe bazoqoqa imali lalela mntaka mama iziswe ilambile lo muntu yena bona labantu laba imizi yabo bayirana ngani mangabe abasebenzi njengoba belokhu bebhizi baseyitracking kanje belokhu behla benyuka barana imizi yabo ngani ngoba umuzi nomuzi umile manje fanele ngiphume mina la ngiyoxosha umuntu ozama ukuphila mina ngizama ukuphila ngiyoxosha omunye umuntu ozama ukuphila into ngitshela ukuthi ngiyahlanganya mina kahle la ekhanda ngiyahlanya mina ngiyoxosha omunye umuntu hayi ngitshele wo ngafakazi ngitshela ukuthi uthi mina ngiphume la ngaleso sikhathi lesa nginagesi ngiyoxosha omunye umuntu ngibuye abantwana bambalambile ngibuye abantwana bami abanasinkwa ikuphi okungcono ukuthi akungcono ngihlale naye le ndoda uqale kanjani ukwenza lento yakho sibambisane mina naye ngoba la these are the two things engizokutshela zona. These are the peasants thina the fucking slaves phansi being divided by the fucking higher up hierarchy. This is about the state, the poor versus the rich. The middle class has to be destroyed. The middle class ayisekho, it has to be destroyed. Na middle class mayikhona laba bayi middle class yilaba basemsebenzini ababambelele emsebenzini manje ukuthi wena Siphiwe ungangena emsebenzini ngoba nawe wena Siphiwe ungangena emsebenzini uzongicindezela kakhulu uzoyenza ukuthi kuze kuphume mina emsebenzini silwe ngemithi fine lokho ngiyaka understand. Lamadoda ayi2 asusima into leyo ukuthi axoshwa abokufika sixoshana sodwa la phansi thina the peasants the poor thina la ku ground level where else we are the ones supposed to be uniting. Angithi yithi kumele ngabe ungathuli vuma mawabe uyavuma ungavumi ungathi uyanika ikhanda vuma mawabe uyavuma thina la phansi siyamaZimbabwe singamashangane angisabaliki laba abanye ngoba mina laba ama neighbors ami amashangane namaZimbabwe Mozambique and Zimbabwe. These are my neighbors. AmaSwati, AbeSuthu. These are my neighbors. These are people engiphila nabo mina on daily basis. Mina ngishangana namo Ernest mina elispendela imoto. Nabantu bami mina ngiphila nabo abaningi kakhulu. So ufuna ngenzeni wena? Ngihambe ngiyoxoshwe Ernest njengoba yena evuke wathenga imshini wathenga ama compressor. Wena uhlulwe yini ukuthi nawe ufunde ukuthi uhambe ukwazi ukuthi uyivulele wena. Yinto esibangayo mina na. Mabangangitshela ukuthi into enziwa ama foreigner yini ngoba umona nje lento esiyenzayo. Umona basically and period. Ngiyaphuma ke nyototoya ngibuya la Eskom ucimile uphelile. Anginamali ukuthenga ugesi, anginamali ukuthenga ukudla. Instead of lesikhathi engisiwaste ngisasanta istrata ngitotoya no kwankwankwe mabahambe wavuma uZulu hlangana uZulu hlangana uZulu hlanga ubehlukaniswe yini? Ubehlukaniswa ama foreigner aqala ngoba into esihlukanisa thina nje singabantu politics. The day kuthiwa siyahamba siyolwa nama politicians who are the ones, the enemies of the people. Ekuyibona the day ngoba mina angikhumbuli mina bathi ama foreigners are taking over ama minds. Okay fine. Ngicela ukubeka le point yokugcina. Ngiyavala ngiyavala. Ngicela ukubeka le point yokugcina. Asithi uEskom uthathwa ama foreigner. uEskom uthathwa ama foreigner. Then angibuze futhi la ama-minerals wethu, ama-coal wethu, our steel, our uranium, our gold, our diamond ithathwa ama-foreigners. Ikuphi lokho kuthathwa ama-foreigner that is so valuable to a point that we have to chase them out? Ikuphi ngoba lana silwela to be under umlumo sonke, angithi ukuze bazoqashwa, sizoqashwa. Asilweli independence, silwela the title of freedom, the title of being free. Asilweli okuningi. Kuzoshintsha the mere fact ukuthi white people they don't want us. Kuzoshintsha nalokho. Kuzoshintsha the fact ukuthi we do not own any means of production in our country. Kuzoshintsha naku siyabaxosha, asithi naku siyabaxosha, angivumelani nawo, asithi naku siyabaxosha labantu bayahamba, then what? Naku bahambile ke manje, asibe no brighter bigger picture, then mase bahambile, then what? Wena tshela mina, then what? Kukhona ozophendula mina ngifuna ukuthi ungiphendule la. Anti ngiyazi ukuthi uyapi nenkulumo yakho, ngifuna ukuthi ungiphendule la. Mase sesibaxoshile kuzoyenzakalani into, umuphi umehluko ozoba khona? Sizothandwa abelungu, sizosebenza, ugovernment uzosizwa, ugesi angeke siloku kumanje kuyabanda, ngihlele endlini kuyabanda, angikhona ukulayita ihita manje, angikhona ukulayita ihita, angikhona ukulayita ihita manje. Wena uthi mina ngiphume kubanda, ngiyototoya ngiyoshaya umshangano oyihlalele ekhoneni kubanda, erisk angeyakhe impilo nange health yakhe, erisk ngayo ukuthi akuthengise ukuze akwazi ukondla ezakhe ingane. Mina nawe into engeke siyenze, mangabe siyaxosha lamaPakistan, mangabe siyabaxosha abantu, asibe ne strategy sokuthi how are we going to actually fill up those spaces ezobe sezi-vacant. Uzozifill up kanjani those spaces ezi-vacant where else we don't have even the proper training yokuthi urun ispaza shop, uthengisa amabhiya, uthengisa ama-case nyana ethu, uyahluleka uyawa. Uthi uvula amakota uyahluleka uyawa, uthi uvula itafula lamazimba uyahluleka uyawa. Weekend usetshwaleni. South Africa mina ume kancane, mina vele nje umsangano nje lento le, ngoba mina isitha sami it is the very same system le engicindezela ukuthi mina mangiphuma la angikwazi ukuthi nyolwa ngilwise ugovernment ngenxa ukuthi kuzomela ngibuye la ngithenga ugesi ngapha ngithenga amanzi. Into engincindezelo lapho, umuntu ongaphandle ucindezela kuphi lapho? Umuntu ongaphandle uyothi mangithenga ugesi, uyothi mangithenga amanzi. Mina impinya yazi mhlazana nithi nina niyasukuma mamene ndini, mhlaza nithi niyasukuma sesiqonda ku-government eparliament straight so bakhipha sibali. Awungitshela ukwabona umkhaba lo baba lo we-ANC, ngiyamkhohlwa igama lakhe lo mXhosa, Hylebred Nzimande, Gwede Mantashe, ukwabona umkhaba wakhe, amangcwaba amawele ayi-6, unomkhaba wamangcwaba wamawele ayi-6. Lo muntu uku-ANC, and he's the one in charge ukuthi sicindezeleke. ANC le kwakuyi-ANC kudala, yeka ama-foreigner namashangane ndoda nawo adobhe lokho azokudobha okuncane, azuze lokho azokuzuza okuncane, ahamba nawo ayilungisa la lungisa khona endlini zango. Asisenaso isikhathi sokuthi sithi sizolwela ilizwe. Well, nakhona ukulwela ilizwe ulwela ngaliphi, uzoyenzani uma uqeda ukulithola, ngoba salilwela ngo-94 clearly azange silithole. We were given freedom instead of independence. That is a slap in your fucking face. Freedom. What are you going to do about freedom? What are you going to do with freedom? Because freedom, it's like unikezwe certain entitlements. You've been given certain privileges. Those are privileges. This is a privilege that you can get. Because we were given this privilege to vote, because we don't vote. So through freedom we started voting. But are we truly free? Are we independent? Are we sovereign? Mbuso lento wena ufuna ukuyikhuluma ima ngaphakamisi ngakhulumi next ngoba yikho lento ongayikhuluma wena imani kancane nje nafana nje nalentwana zala eKaslami wena futhi wes udakwa nayo lento le bathi inicotine or yini yakudaka nawe yekela nje ungakhulumi next nami wena yiko futhi ngize ngithi nina ni west ne generation yamanje nidakwa yonke into eniyibonayo nidakwa ama T-bag nidakwa yonke lamasimba bese kufika umuntu akubhuqe nje umqondo lamadoda asemalini abali asemalini ugovernment uzowasifanda nge5 million nina maloku nidonate nithi umqosho umthakathi urban makaloko athola le mali le manimfanda senimenza ukuthi akwazi ukondla wakho umndeni wayena angayikusebenza njengawo wonke amanye amadoda.
Unfortunately, as a South African, when you say something like this, when you don't stand with much and much, you tend to be attacked. You tend to be called a foreigner. Kuri, it's a lot. A lot goes down, but I really do get what this man is saying. He actually decided to have a conversation with South Africans to say, okay, so you are trying to tell me that I should go and attack another African who is also trying for himself or for herself to survive, and attack them to say they're taking our job, they're taking this and this. But when you sit down and look at everything, these people are not your problem. Trust me when I say this, these people are not your problem. Your problem is the government, but unfortunately people do not want to face that side. They will look at someone who is weak. They will go for someone who is weak, which unfortunately at this point are foreigners and black Africans. Unfortunately, it's a very sad situation that not many South Africans think like this, and when you say something like this, you tend to be attacked. You tend to be called out to say you are a foreigner. Why are you not standing with much and much? Guys, everyone is allowed to have a different perspective from what you think is right. You might think that whatever that you think is right, for me it is not right, and we both have our own reasons, and that's okay. There is nothing wrong with that. And there is no need for people to be attacking each other as South Africans, to be on social media and attacking each other just because someone does not stand with what you believe in. That's very wrong. I also do not support that. But anyway, please say your thoughts down below in the comment section. What do you think?